Hello, students and parents of Force NC. This is Mr. C, also known as Big C. And today, I've had a lot of questions over the past couple weeks from parents about Engrade and also about how to do the assignments that I assign the children on Spelling City. So this tutorial is meant to be an Engrade made easy tutorial. So hopefully after watching this, it will make, if Engrade is confusing you, it will make a lot more sense, okay? So let's go to Engrade, and I will, of course, log in as a student, and we'll use our ghost student, Keelan Hicks, one more time. Let's see here. Give me a second while I type this in. Parents, you may remember me speaking about this at the back to school night if you were here. But we'll go over it again just in case there's any confusion. Okay, now, Mr. Clark, is there one place that I can go to look at all of the assignments and the video tutorials and the flashcards and everything you put on here? Is there one place that I can look at all of that? Well, unfortunately, there's not. It's really the one bad thing about this site, if there is a bad thing. But so you really have to go to each one of the classes. Now, in your homework, in your students' communication diaries, I will have them write, for instance, Engrade Unit of Inquiry or Engrade Language Writing. So it's that class that you actually have to click on to get to the calendar. So if you go to Language Writing, for instance, over on the left-hand side here, under the More, it's not even under the More options, actually. It's on the left-hand side, right above Assignments. On this Assignments tab, let's look at this real quick. Here you see all of the assignments. You can click on each one of these, and a lot of times they'll have an explanation of the assignment, an attached document. That could be like the current event organizer, perhaps a tutorial, maybe a discussion question. So any attachments that I can think to put on there, this is a good place to access those. Here's the date it was due. Now, if it has, for instance, and this has an E on it out of 4 points because this person hasn't come to class yet, so that person is excused. So if you ever see an E on any assignment, that means excused. If you ever see an M on any assignments, those are the ones you really want to pay attention to because that means I never received the assignment, it's missing, okay? So a lot of times the assignment won't really be graded necessarily, so it'd be like just a video tutorial or flashcards. So if there's just really no score here, that's what that means. But the calendar is really the place you want to go to make this website easy. A calendar, basically, it accesses sort of all of the stuff, and it has, of course, the calendar view, and I'll just move this out of the way here. It accesses a calendar view of all the stuff. Now remember the green check marks here, that is the actual assignment itself. These links are any type of attached document, PDF, Word document, that I'll attach to the assignments. These blue dots here, that's when I've included a video tutorial, much like you're watching now, just in case your students need that extra practice or maybe even just a reminder of what we did in class that day. So the calendar is the best place to go for all of that. Again, there's not one master calendar that you can look at for everything, but if you go to the individual classes, and hopefully your students will have that in their communication diary on which class to go to for that night. So if, for instance, on their homework, they'll have Engrade Language Writing. So you'll know to go to the Language Writing class and access the calendar from there. So I hope that makes sense. I'm going to also include another tutorial on this email on how to complete assignments on Spelling City, the assignments that I assign them. I think a lot of students had some trouble with this week, but it seems like they're getting the hang of it, and I just wanted to send a quick how-to just in case they forget on how to do the assignments on Spelling City. So look out for that. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Okay. Mr. C, over and out.